Iranian-made drones have been a significant threat in the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. While these drones may not be as technologically advanced as those made by other countries such as the US, China, or Russia itself, they have proven to be highly effective in destroying Ukrainian infrastructure. The shahed 136 kamikaze drones, in particular, have posed a major challenge to the Ukrainian Armed Forces. The Russian military has utilized swarm attacks with these drones, launching multiple UAVs at once in order to overwhelm enemy air defenses. These attacks have been successful in catching the Ukrainians off guard and minimizing the chance of retaliation. In addition to their effectiveness, the shahed 136 provide Russia with a more cost-effective alternative to its more expensive aircraft and missiles. These drones were also used extensively during Russia's bombing of Ukrainian cities, including the capital city of Kyiv on October 10. Reports from Ukraine indicate that the drones caused significant damage to both the Ukrainian military and infrastructure. An investigation conducted by the Statewatch Project Trap Aggressor has identified over 30 EU and US-based companies whose parts have been used in the manufacturing of these Iranian kamikaze drones. Components found inside the shahed 136 to include a servo drive from the American High-Tech USA Group, power elements from the Japanese Panasonic, and ceramic antenna from the Canadian Talisman Wireless. When questioned about the investigation, the president of Talisman Wireless, Giles Panther, stated that the company is aware that some of its components are being misused in sophisticated military guidance systems in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Panther emphasized that Talisman Wireless is fully committed to supporting Ukraine in the face of Russian aggression and does not sell its products to either Iran or Russia. The company also does not sell to third parties who supply products to these countries. Panther believes that the antenna parts in question may have been rerouted to Iran through distributors using fake company fronts to conceal their intentions. Talisman is currently working with the Canada Border Services Agency and other government agencies to determine how the parts ended up in Iran. It is worth noting that Talisman's antenna components are not subject to export control due to their non-sensitive nature. These components are also found in consumer satellite navigation devices, such as vehicle fleet management and survey equipment. Kelsey Gallagher, a researcher specializing in arms control and disarmament, pointed out that it is easier to track the international movement of goods requiring an export permit. However, it would be burdensome for companies to obtain government permits for all electronic exports. In addition to foreign-made components, the shahed 136 drones also contain Ukrainian-made components. It is unclear how these parts ended up in Iranian-made drones being used in the Russian-Ukraine conflict. The use of these drones by Russia has raised concerns about the proliferation of kamikaze drone technology. Kamikaze drones, which are designed to crash into their target and cause maximum damage, have the potential to be used by terrorists or other non-state actors. In conclusion, Iranian-made drones, specifically the shahed 136 kamikaze drones, have been a formidable weapon in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. While these drones may not be as advanced as those made by other countries, they have proven to be highly effective in destroying Ukrainian infrastructure and have caused significant damage to Ukrainian forces. An investigation has revealed that these drones contain components made by EU and US-based companies, raising concerns about the proliferation of kamikaze drone technology. It is important for countries to carefully consider the potential consequences of exporting certain technology.